Okay.
Okay, I'm an intro.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. Hey-o. We lost a light. Hello, everyone. Today, we would like to talk about pre-approvals and the volatility in the market, what the benefits are of having a pre-approval, and what qualifications could look like. So I'm going to let my good friend here, Joe Jacobs, take it away.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah,
friend.
yeah.
Like that.
Today.
I got like 12 hours to keep this up. So, interest rates are going the wrong way. So if you have a pre-approval in place already, it is a very powerful tool. Because if you got a pre-approval, let's say at 4.5%, current interest rates right now are 5%, you have more buying power at the 4.5%.
Can you explain that, please?
Yeah, I'm going to explain it.
Okay.
Yeah, you have more buying power in the sense that you're now qualifying at only 2% above that with the stress test. So you're qualifying at 6.5%. Whereas if we look at a 5% rate, you're now qualifying at 7%. So that's going to mean you qualify for a lesser mortgage. So you're going to qualify for a better mortgage amount or larger mortgage amount, higher purchase price with your pre-approval that's at a lower rate. In addition to that, you obviously have a less mortgage cost because you're paying less interest. So what's really important is a lot of people who've gotten a pre-approval in the last, say, 2 months, 3 months, they normally have an expiration time of 120 days, 4 months. So it could be a big shock on what your renewal option would be on a pre-approval if you don't take advantage of it. So if you're out shopping, keep those dates in mind. Make sure that you check in with us or your mortgage broker that you're working with on where your interest rate is at, when is it valid until. And one thing that I think is really important that I'd like you to touch on, because I know we get this question all the time, your expiration date on that pre-approval. What does that mean? When do you have to have something executed on?
Ooh, the date. The pre-approval expires and you have to take keys on or before that date. Taking keys meaning the possession. Correct. So you can't write an offer 3 days before it expires and have that offer close even a week after that rate expires. You have to take possession, close that mortgage on or before that expiry date. Yes. So very important to note.
Yeah, so I mean, I think our big message here just is if you've done the pre-work to get a pre-approval, you're out shopping right now, really pay attention to those dates. Obviously, you're not buying a house just because you have a pre-approval, but if the right house is there, make sure that you know when your pre-approval is valid till, make sure you know what your dates are so you set yourself up for success. Because with where we're seeing rates go in the last 2 weeks, it's a big swing. A lot of our clients have really attractive pre-approval rates. Hopefully there's enough inventory in housing that they can find the right housing and capitalize on that. But certainly keep that in mind. So just a reminder, check in, make sure that you have everything locked down on a rate and that you know what your dates are so you can shop with confidence knowing that your housing pricing is going to be what you think it is.
Absolutely. If you're thinking about buying, please reach out to a mortgage broker and get a proper rate hold in place. And by all means, reach out to us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.